So this is the final texture of a scalp scrub that I made in my home lab. You will notice the color is naturally dark blue. Yes, that is because of the chief raw exfoliating ingredient that I used. And honestly, detox products may not always look pretty, but trust me, they work. So I prepared a pH adjuster just in case it is needed. Because the pH of hair care products can affect the comfort of the scalp and the health of our hair. So this step is never something to rush or guess. It is very important. Everything has to be checked and adjusted professionally. This is sometimes the difference between DIY and professionally formulated products. As seen in the video, the initial pH of this scalp scrub was 6.9, which was higher than normal. So I used the pH adjuster, added a few drops at a time. I am sure you would want to see what the final pH comes down to. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and follow for more.
Within our hearts, through the storms, the skies will clear. Hold your head, the light is near. Be determined, don't lose focus. Have faith, life is beautiful.
So we made it. The pH has been adjusted and came down to 5.41, which is in a range that supports the health and comfort of the scalp. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye.